हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुरुवरिया अकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस सेशन में हम फर्स्ट यूनिट में से लास्ट चैप्टर दैट इज 1.5 द नेकलेस इसका पार्ट 1 का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस अलाउड, राइट हु सेड इट एंड टू हु। किसने किससे और कब कहा, यह हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है। वी हैव गिवन सम डायलॉग्स एंड वी विल राइट अबाउट इट। First, look, here's something for you. The above given sentence is said by young Loizer to Matlik. Second, why the dress you go to the theater in? Answer, the above given sentence is said by young Loizer to Matlik. Third, I would rather not to go party. The above sentence is said by Matlik to young Loizer. Afterwards, choose my dear. The above sentence was said by Madame Forrester to Madeline. Next, fourth one. I have nothing else. The above sentence was said by Madeline to Madame Forrester. Afterwards, would you lend me this justice? Answer. The above sentence was said by Madeline to Madame Forrester. Afterwards, what, how is possible? The above sentence was said by young Loisel to Madeline. Here we have completed the first question. Now we will be moved towards the second question. Question second. Write a few lines about what Madeline and what she dreamed about. What Madeline had and what she dreamed about. Answer. Madeline was a pretty and a charming girl. She was born into a family of clerks. She wanted to be wedded and aristocrat, but she was married to a minor official at Ministry of Education. She dressed plain, but she dreamed of rich dresses and jewels. She wanted so much to charm, to be envied, but to be sought after. She lived in a shabby, poorly furnished house. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms perfumed after chats with clothes friends. And in this way, we have completed the first question. Now, we will be moved towards the next question, question number third. Next question, question number third. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Madeline. First, Madeline was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Answer, Madeline wished that her beauty would guarantee that she would marry a rich aristocrat. Afterwards, second, Madeline was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Answer, Madeline was so convinced that she was meant to be rich that she detested her real life. Afterwards, third, Madeline felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer, Madeline dreamed of living in a palatial mansion with vast rooms and therefore hated this comparatively small and shabby house. Next one, Madeline wanted other people to envy her. Answer, Madeline wanted to be the center of attraction and wished that others would be attracted to her and would envy her. Next question, Madeline was not happy to see the invitation. Answer, Madeline wanted to be center of attraction at the event and wanted to be so well dressed that she would be most sought after. Next question, Madeline wanted a new dress for herself. Answer, Madeline was a quite selfish not to consider that her husband had been saving money to buy a hunting gun and yet she wanted to buy a new dress for just one party. Next, Madeline borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to be party. Madeline wanted to look good at all costs and therefore she did not think twice before borrowing a necklace from her friend. Next, Madeline lost the necklace. Answer, Madeline was so engrossed in being the center of attraction at the party, she carelessly didn't notice the loss of the necklace. Here we have completed the third question. Now we will be moved towards the fourth question. Question 4. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. The given format is, you can see here we have created here an invitation. Mr. and Mrs. Rohan Patil request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of 25th anniversary of their wedding on Monday 12th August 2022. When you Balaji Hall, Ring Road, Pune, time 9 p.m. onwards, the dress code for the evening is red for the ladies and black for the gentlemen. Here we have completed the fourth question. Now move towards the fifth question. Read the following: the necklace, an error, all these things, another woman, one evening. In all these phrases, we see some words used before the nouns. They specify or make it clear what noun we are talking about. These words that are used at the beginning of a noun phrase are known as determiners. Determiners include articles a and the, possessive pronouns my, our, your, her, etc. Demonstrative words like these that quantifiers, much, many, etc. Numerals, etc. Write your phrase using each of type of determiner. First article, the book and elephant. Possessive pronoun, my shirt, your car. Demonstrative, these sweets, those movements. Quantifiers, many students, few benches. Numerals, 3 doors, 7 horses. And in this way, we have completed the workshop of the 1.5 पार्ट फर्स्ट। आई होप आपको ये वर्कशॉप समझ में आया होगा। अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, डाउट हो तो कमेंट कीजिए। इसी तरह से इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है, चैप्टर का वीडियो है, वार्मिंग अप का वीडियो है और मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस के वीडियोस है, वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन पे प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारे ये एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। ये एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं। हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद करेंगे। इस एप्लीकेशन के लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी जाके आप ये एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं। हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है जिसके भीतर आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। हमारे टीचर्स भी है, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आपके सभी डाउट्स आप क्लियर कर सकते हो। तो आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।